Hi guys, this is the first lecture of Adobe Photoshop. In this lecture, in this video, the first video, I will give you some little bit information about the interface of Photoshop and something about the menu, some interface about the Photoshop and the menu and other very important thing that will give you some information, some test of Adobe Photoshop, that what is it by about Photoshop, that I have already told you that a lot of things can be done: brochure, booklet, brochure, visiting card, logo, and much more thing can be made uh, by Photoshop, and just easily, very easily. So this is the interface of Adobe Photoshop, and this is the menu bar. First layer is called the menu bar. You can see the cursor there. On the second layer, it's called property bar. This is the property bar. Okay, and this one is main tool. These are all the main tools. Okay, so main tools are very important tools for Photoshop. As far as my understanding is concerned, if you completely understand about what are the functions of this tool, and I will tell you all the functions of these tools during my video. During my first 8 or 10 videos contain completely information about menu bar, about the main tool. These about the all main tool. So be with me till the end of the course, and you will get uh, all information of all tools. And lastly, this is the panel. You can see the cursor there. This is the panel of. You can choose different style, different colors, and different adjustment, color brightness from there. So this is the little interaction of interface. Now let's have do something. Before we start do something, you are thinking that there is no page there. Yes, we need a page. We need a new page to start something on Photoshop. How can we get the new page? By clicking on File and by clicking on a new. When you click on the new, so then a window will come there, will appear there. Okay, and the short command of this is Control N is a short command, but I will not use the short command during my all lessons, during my all videos in the Photoshop, because I know the short command will confuse the people, and I will use mouse instead of short commands. But I recommend to use only short commands. Short commands is used for reduce the time, is used for speedy work. So I suggest to use short commands. All the short commands can be easily available on Google as well, and yeah, and these options will also tell you the short commands. Okay, and these are the short commands. Okay, these are the options and these are the short commands. So when I open this now this is a file name. You will probably know that this is the file name. You can change the file name by just clicking on there and type anything like this. You can change a file name, any file name that you want to use, you can use there. Okay, second one is this preset. This is the option of preset. Now if you click on there, so you will find many options there: default Photoshop size, US paper, international photo, web, mobile device, film, video, and custom. So these are the preset pages, preset new pages for this. When you click on default Photoshop size, so there's options there. These are the default Photoshop sizes you can choose there, and you can choose from pixel, inches, centimeter, millimeter, and each. But the most important, the most widely used option is pixel. Okay, Probably you know that what is the pixel, and I will give you just very little introduction about pixel what is, because to understand of this I will have to open new picture. Let's suppose I open this picture. Okay, now now this is the picture. Now if I increase the zoom, if I zoom out this picture, so this will control, I will zoom. How will I zoom out? Control plus. Now focus on focus on grass. Focus on grass on the picture. You'll found that you found some very little bit box will suddenly appear when I'm click on control plus. You can now observe that small boxes start to appear. Now you can easily understand. So these are no, so this is the box. Very little boxes appear. So these are the pixels. All the pictures are contain pixels. So and then, so when you start working, when you do something, so you will use pixel as well. So this is the pixel. A small box and a small point and a small dot is called a pixel. Now another now come to the point. Come to the previous point. Now we were talk about default Photoshop, US paper. When you click on the US paper, so you will have some option of letter, legal, tabloid. Letter and legal size are widely used in US. So they have just given two options: letter size and legal size. Another option Another option is international papers. In international papers, you will find many options. You can choose according to your requirement: A4 size, A6, A5, A3. Widely used size is B3 and A4. A4 is most used size for corporate use, for corporate world. A4 size. When you click on the A4 size, you will find uh, the more options. So you can change the width, you can change the height. Okay, you can also change pixel inches. Okay, and I've always use I suggest to use pixel. If you click on the photo, so you'll find some more options: landscape, portrait. What do you want? What do you want to use? Landscape or portrait? So there are four different landscape sizes and four portrait sizes. You can choose according to what do you want. Okay, the width is available there. Basically this is used for logos, for preparation of visiting card and posters and flyers. And Another option is web. When you click on the web, so you will know that there are different type of pages on web. Most of the websites that have been developed contain pages. Contain pages of contain one page. So you can choose the size of the page. You can choose the size of the page when you want to do something, when you want to create something for your web. Okay, you can change the size as well. Okay, mobile devices, options that are size there available for mobile devices. Film and videos, basically film and video work is not done, is not completed in Photoshop. There are more softwares available there, like Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, and EDS. These are the some softwares that are used for film and TV. But mostly Photoshop is not widely used for film and video. So but there are options there. You can see there. And lastly is custom. Custom is when you click on the custom, you can choose anything. Whatever you choose, that will come appear to there. Okay, so mostly I use photo there. Okay, Now these are the size, width, white, height, resolution. Okay. Color mode. There are different four type of color mode: bitmap, grayscale, RGB color, CMYK color, lab. If you use gray color, yeah, if you use gray color, if you use a gray color, so all the things will appear in black and white. You can see there that when you click on the whatever color you will choose, but this color will not be appeared there because we have command that gray side or black and white side should be appear. Okay, so they are following the command, and they are not appearing different colors. They are just appearing gray color or black and white. So now that is RGB, and this is RGB color. Now you are now we on normal color mode. This is RGB. RGB and CYK are not very much difference. There is no much difference. There is slightly different between both. And lastly is white background, color background, transparent color background. When you need white background, so you can easily say there that white background is there. When you want to use transparent, so you click on there and okay there, so transparent will be appear. So this is the transparent page. This option is widely used for making a flyer and most of the things. That is completely on requirement. Now we'll okay, so this is option of new. You know about open. You can click the open, another file will open, and file open. You can choose anything, any picture from to work, any picture to work. Browse and bridge. Browse and bridge is used for to see the information. Browse and this option is there is a problem in this option, but I will give you I give you information, but I will give you a little introduction that what is it. Basically it is to use for information, to give the information of particular image. When you click on there, so your computer will appear. Okay, your computer devices, your computer hard disk partition will appear. Drive C, drive D, drive E, and others drives, whatever drives your laptop or system has, so it appear. And when you click on there and move to the picture and move to till the picture, so you'll find information. When you click on the picture, so you'll find complete information there this side. Okay, it will tell you the resolution of the picture, the size of the picture, the weight of the picture, and much more all the information that is compulsory that you want to get, that will appear there. So this is a usage of browse mini bridge. You can know about the open smart object. Open smart object is used for I will give you complete example. When you click on there, so you will find a picture there. Okay, so when I click on there and I open as object, just click on see there. Okay, open as object. Open as convert to a smart object. Okay, so these options, these are same objects. Open as a smart object. Yeah, the file will be open already on a smart object if you click on there, and if you already open the file, so and if you use open a smart object, so you will click on there, and that will give you options that I have already seen to you. Sorry, I have a flu problem. So this is basically Very sorry. Sorry, there is a few problem with me. So anyway, so there's a use of smart object. This option is used to remain the quality, to intact the quality of picture. When you click on there, so the pixel will spread. So the pixel will be spread. Your picture quality will be spread. Will be destroyed. So this option will protect your picture to to deteriorate your quality, the quality of picture. Open, close, close to, copy, save as, save as web, revert. These are the options. Important. So these are the options that you have already know that what is the use of this is the very quick introductions of the first option. Hope you have got you have got very you have got information, you have got about you have got information about the Photoshop. And meet me in the next lesson. Thank you so much.